by any app, so they refuse to collect the amount. Why? Because whatever the amount we will pay to that businessman, that amount will show in their account, bank account. So then bank, according to bank account, they will collect the more money, and according to that they have to pay the tax. So accounting is not fully exact. Okay, this is not completely correct, and from this businessmen save to themselves to pay the tax. Unrealistic information. There are many information which are not realistic, not are real. Some transactions we do fraud in our accounting. So that's why it is a unrealistic informations provide to the businessman or to the owner. Next one is accounting ignores the qualitative elements. Only money measurement transactions are there in our business, but if we're talking about the qualitative elements, so accounts format is same in all the business according to the accounting standard. Okay, according to Indian accounting standard, the format and the preparations of accounting are same. But if we show yes, we want to show the quality in our accounts, so this is not possible, and it is ignored when we prepare our accounts. So quality is not shown in our account. Next one is accounting ignores the effect of price level changes. What is the correct amount today? What is the correct price of a particular commodity? That will be shown on a particular commodity or in our accounting. But if we're talking about the future, we cannot assume what the price will affect of this commodity related to our accounting. अकाउंटिंग वो शो करता है जो हो चुका है, जो होगा उसको शो नहीं किया जाता है अकाउंटिंग के अंदर. दिस इज एडवांटेज. सो दैट्स वाई इट इज़ इग्नोर द इफेक्ट ऑफ प्राइस लेवल चेंजेस. जो भी चेंज होने वाले हैं प्राइजेस के अंदर वो उनको शो नहीं करता. अकाउंटिंग what is already have done, only those things they show, and extra things they don't show, and they cannot do for the forecast of the price or anything related to the business. Next one is accounting may lead to window dressing. Window dressing. Accounting, whatever the accounting we prepare, in those accounts we do the fraud transactions to show our accounts as a good profit. For example, if we have to take loan from the bank, then we will show the higher profit in our business, and then we in our accounting, then we will take the loan from the bank. Okay, so that thing is called the window dressing. Whatever extra and whatever the fraud we have done in our business transactions. So window dressing, what is the actual show, what is the showing in our accounting, actually that is not having in our business. Okay, so extra things, extra effectiveness are done in our accounting, by which a lender can pay a good amount to the borrower. So these are the limitations of, these are the 5 limitations of our accounting. Once again I am repeating them. Accounting is not fully exact, completely correct नहीं होते, उनके अंदर कुछ ना कुछ गलत और ट्रांजेक्शन्स लिखी जाती हैं, रियलिस्टिक इन्फॉर्मेशंस नहीं होती, क्योंकि उसमें जब हम गलत ट्रांजेक्शन लिखेंगे तो वो रियल ट्रांजेक्शन नहीं होती है। एक्चुअल में बिल का अमाउंट कुछ और होता है और एक्चुअल में कुछ और अमाउंट और रिसीव किया जाता है। अकाउंटिंग इग्नोर द क्वालिटेटिव एलिमेंट्स, क्वालिटी शो नहीं होती, हमारा जो एक पर्टिकुलर फॉर्मेट है अकॉर्डिंग टू अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड वही फॉर्मेट के अकॉर्डिंग शो होता है। अकाउंटिंग इग्नोर द इफेक्ट ऑफ प्राइस लेवल चेंजेस, जो भी कोई प्राइस लेवल चेंज होने वाला है फ्यूचर में उसको ये इग्नोर कर देता है, उसको नहीं दिखाया जाता। अकाउंटिंग में लीड टू विंडो ड्रेसिंग, एक्स्ट्रा थिंग्स हम शो करते हैं ताकि हमारे अकाउंट्स अच्छे दिखें और उनके बेसिस पर हम अपने बिजनेस को हायर प्रॉफिट पे शो कर सकें और ताकि वो एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट हम बाहर से ले सकें, इन्वेस्टर से हम ज़्यादा पैसा रिसीव कर सकें अपने अकाउंट्स में विंडो ड्रेसिंग करने के बाद। सो दीज आर द advantages and limitations of accounting. So students, prepare your notes. Thank you for today and thank you.